how to say it. It's Liyah Joinee, and I'm going to be doing a sleek bun for you all. I'm going to be sleeking it to this side right there. If you haven't left a like on this video, go ahead and do that real fast, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So for the tools that you'll need for this, you'll need some Eco Styler gel. I use the crystal one because they don't leave your hair crunchy or crusty, and it gives your hair shine while giving you hold. And the second thing you need is a water bottle. Any type of water bottle. I use cold water. I put cold water in here. That's so weird. Then I use a brush, and this is a soft bristle one. It's kind of soft and hard. I use that, and I also use a toothbrush. So you'll need a toothbrush, water, gel, and a brush. Let me get into this video. Be sure to leave me a like on this video if I haven't said that. And yeah, turn on my Okay, so those are the results. Go ahead and leave a like on this video if you haven't yet, and also subscribe. It's Liyah Joinee, and I'm out.